Hey folks, I have a little scout to show you today. This is number 766. The back and sides are some curly myrtle from the scrap bin, left over from last time I was sawing up a myrtle log. Really nice looking. And the neck is some salvaged Alaskan yellow cedar with this nice myrtle stripe and some laminations on either side of it there. It's a piece of cedar that was from my neighbor's scrap bin. He was a flute maker and this piece didn't get used, but it's got a few little flaws in it and stuff, but I was happy to save it for this job. And then the top is also Alaskan yellow cedar, real stripy and beautiful. This is from Camp Westwind. Little binding on the top. And then we've got Texas ebony here for the rest of it. So, yeah, it's really got a nice, sophisticated look to it for a little guy like this. And it feels like a little bit of a darker sound than I usually hear from my little cheerful scouts. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So this is going out to the scout waiting list right now. Yeah, I might not get to one in February, so it might be March again before I have a scout ready. So here you go. Cheers.